Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be in UP again today. He will be in Prayagraj to participate in what the government says will be a one-of-its-kind program that will be attended by over 2 lakh women. This will be the 10th day that the Prime Minister will spend in Uttar Pradesh in just the last month as he leads the BJP's campaign in the politically crucial state where elections are likely to start in less than 2 months' time. Now let's go across to Alok Pandey for more. Alok, tell us about this program that the Prime Minister is participating in today in Prayagraj.
First of all, let me start by saying that one woke up to these full-page advertisements in almost all newspapers here in Lucknow. I don't know about Delhi. And, they had the news of this of this government program all over their front page. And the program itself is how the Prime Minister will transfer about 1,000 crore rupees in the bank accounts of self-help groups. The government says this will benefit about 16 lakh women members of these self-help groups. The government further goes on to say that, the Prime Minister will also transfer about 20 crore rupees to more than 1 lakh beneficiaries under another scheme, which is a state government scheme, which is the Mukhyamantri Kanya Sumangala scheme, which provides conditional cash transfers to a girl child at different stages of her life. So I think beyond the fact that this government program is happening, I think the focus also is on how the Prime Minister has been in UP for 1/3 of his time in the last 1 month. And also the fact that, these government events are time and again being used for political purposes, because now that is almost blatant. So, reportedly, etc., doesn't cut it because you have the Prime Minister coming to these government organized events and making political statements from stage. Some of those political statements the opposition has flagged as problematic, including in Gorakhpur recently, Gargi, if you remember, where the Prime Minister from the stage of a fertilizer factory inauguration called Akhilesh Yadav, or at least called people in the opposition, and many said it was targeted at Akhilesh Yadav, sympathizer of terrorism. So that is what's been happening. The BJP, of course, for the BJP, it works because the Prime Minister has taken the lead role in the campaign, and that is why he's here.
Right, and interesting that this is a program and, being given so much publicity that's aimed at women, Alok. As we know, there's been a lot said on the women front by Priyanka Gandhi Vadra also recently in the run-up to the elections.
You're absolutely right. The Congress, in fact, though in terms of, electoral performance in the last some time, the Congress isn't up there in Uttar Pradesh. But at the same time, the Congress is in charge of UP, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, has been focusing on this entire plank of Ladki Hoon Lad Sakti Hoon, which translates to I am a girl and I can fight, with a focus on women, including the party saying that it will reserve 40% of the tickets in the coming UP election for women. And they've even released a specific manifesto for women, promising jobs and scooties and whatnot. So maybe this program by the BJP is also a way to counter what the Congress is doing in Uttar Pradesh in terms of trying to consolidate the women vote. All in all, interesting that the Prime Minister is there, and this is not his only visit. This is not the end of his visit to UP this year. He's coming again 2 days later to Varanasi for another program, and then again to Kanpur on the 28th, as of now, to inaugurate a phase of the metro there.
All right, Alok, so the Prime Minister's 10th visit in a month and more on the cards ahead. We'll get you the details as the program begins in Prayagraj.